catastrophic heavy rainfall event east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37. New information. Changes to watches and warnings. Non-current watches and warnings. A hurricane warning is in effect for DeWitt and Carnes. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Atascosa, Bastrop, Bear, Caldwell, Comau, Fayette, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Hayes, Lavaca, and Wilson. Storm information. About 120 miles south-southeast of Austin, Texas, or about 90 miles east-southeast of San Antonio, Texas. 28.7 and 97.2 W. Storm intensity 80 miles per hour. Movement north-northwest or 340 degrees at 6 miles per hour. Situation overview. Harvey made landfall along the middle Texas coast as a Category 4 hurricane but has since weakened to a Category 1. Harvey is slowly continuing inland, with the eye currently positioned over Goliad, Texas. Confidence remains high in a life-threatening, catastrophic rainfall event taking place across much of south-central Texas along an east Interstate 35. With this update, a tornado watch has been issued for Lavaca, Fayette, and Lee counties, well east of the I-35 corridor. Any tornadoes that do occur in this area will likely be short-lived, but rapidly developing. Multiple possible tornadoes have already been reported with rain bands farther west. Only minor changes have been made to the rainfall forecast with this update. A range of 5 to 15 inches is possible along the Interstate 35 corridor due to the large drop-off in rainfall amounts on the west side of Harvey. The upper end of that estimate will likely be farther north.
Here, let me grab my
Austin. East of the Interstate 35
Midland
corridor, we are still anticipating 10-20 inches of isolated 30 inches in some locations.
EH55 because my iPod is about to die. So
National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio, Texas, around 11 or sooner if conditions warrant. Tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following counties: Atascosa, Bastrop, Bear, Caldwell, Comau, Fayette, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Hayes, Lavaca, and Wilson. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for south-central Texas. For today and tonight, Hurricane Harvey will continue to slowly move into southeastern portions of south-central Texas later this morning, where it is currently predicted to stall. Harvey will continue to weaken over land and fall below hurricane force later today as it moves into DeWitt County. However, widespread heavy rainfall capable of producing river and flash flooding will occur well to the north and east of Harvey. This is just the beginning of a life-threatening and catastrophic heavy rainfall event expected east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 that may continue into the middle of next week. A hurricane warning is in effect for 70 to 80 miles per hour winds across Carnes and DeWitt counties. A tropical storm warning is in effect for winds of 35 to 50 miles per hour across Atascosa, Bastrop, Bear, Caldwell, Fayette, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Lavaca, and Wilson counties. A wind advisory is in effect for Bandera, Blanco, Frio, Kendall, Lee, Medina, Travis, and Williamson counties for winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour in the stronger rain bands. A flash flood watch is in effect through Tuesday evening for counties along and east of a line from Georgetown to Comfort to Jourdanton. There is a low risk of brief tornadoes east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 today. A tornado watch is currently in effect for Fayette, Lavaca, and Lee counties until 1 p.m. Saturday. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Hurricane Harvey will stall or move very slowly over eastern parts of south-central Texas before sliding back south towards the Gulf Coast on Sunday into early next week. A flash flood watch is in effect through Tuesday evening for counties along and east of a line from Georgetown to Comfort to Jourdanton. Life-threatening and catastrophic river and flash flooding appears imminent for much of south-central Texas, specifically for areas along and east of the Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 corridors. Storm total rainfall amounts through Tuesday of 10 to 20 inches are expected east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 with isolated totals in excess of 30 inches possible. Devastating river flooding lasting throughout next week is likely east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 in the Colorado, Guadalupe, and San Antonio River basins. There are large uncertainties in event rainfall totals for the Interstate 35 corridor and across the eastern hill country, including the cities of Austin and San Antonio. Our current forecast range of 5 to 15 inches with higher totals possible over these areas accounts for this uncertainty, with the upper end of this estimate likely be farther north towards Austin. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be encouraged over the next several days as Harvey evolves. The flash flood watch continues for a portion of south-central Texas.
That's it.